Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up business portfolio and banking syncing on Wave Accounting. So start with the first step, which is to create your business profile. So sign up at waveapps.com, enter your business name, type, country, and currency, then click continue to create the profile. So pick your country carefully. It sets tax defaults and payroll availability, and you can change it later without deleting the business. Next step is fill in business settings. So go to settings, tap on business settings, and add your address, phone, tax ID, and upload a logo of invoices and estimates look professional right away. Next is open the Connect a Bank screen. So from the left menu, click on Banking, tap on Connect a Bank account, then search for your bank in the played modal that opens. So if your bank isn't listed, use manual import with CSV upload since many small credit unions require this fallback. Next is enter the bank credentials securely. So select your bank, enter your online banking username and password in the played modal, and complete any 2FA prompt to authorize read-only access. Lastly is review important transactions. So go to accounting, tap on transactions to see the imported entries. So Wave auto categorizes most, but review them once a week to confirm the categories match your books. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!